Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on ACER Iconia A10. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click Not Now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click Not Now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now you can decide if you want to send notifications from this app or not. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.